Thanks for taking this adventure with me with the OS 15CV-R and the purple Nitro RS4 too. Yep, we did a little bit of updating and upgrading. You saw from the pictures that we went through the 2-speed transmission, replaced that 44 spur gear, did some updating on the header, and now this V2 Paris pipe is no longer touching the fuel tank. We took off that heat shield diaper. Now she's been upgraded. She's a big girl now. She can be left alone. We have this dynamite header on here. The OS 15CV-R has got that full upgrade with a modification. Remember, this is a previously broken and 19-year-old OS 15CV-R engine. So this is not a break-in, but it is a first startup from the full refresh rear ceramic bearing. We have an OS A7 medium hot plug. So let's go ahead and get the engine warmed up, primed. This is the brand new carb. So the initial carb settings are on here. We're gonna have to tweak them to get them fired up. It's a little bit cold today, about 40 to 43 degrees Fahrenheit, but should be okay. We are running some VP 29 race fuel, and I'm excited to get this engine and car back up and running. Right, 220 here, let that soak for a couple minutes. We got the glow plug tight. Let's get the radio on. I went ahead and reset up all of the throttle linkage, EPAs and all of that, so we should be good here. Let's get it primed. There we go, we've got her started up. Let her idle a little bit. Sounding good so far. We have to find a warmer day coming up in the spring. We'll do an updated episode on this purple RS4 with the now modified OS 15CV-R. If you enjoy these types of videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. If you like 10 scale, nitro, and especially touring cars, then this is the place to be. And thanks for taking the adventure with me.